2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. How did you like the 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then this one. Same thing, you start with this one. 1, 2, and then okay. Then you do with the arms. You open and open. So you do here 1, 2, 3, and then here 1, 2, 3. Alright, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So okay, it will be here. So it will be more okay, like you're looking here. Okay, then you do half half. 1, 2, turn. Yes. So you do here that. 1 and 2 and turn that. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Bang, 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 bang. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Bang, 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 bang. Yes. Then you do up, up, boom, that. You can just press your knees, yes. Yeah. So you do cross and cross. Okay? Yeah, right. So after you are here, you can do tap, tap. Then tap, tap. Yes. 1 and 2. So then turn. We come here. We start with this one. 1 and 2. Come. Yes, just push. Yes. Left. First one. 1, 2, left, start, left, start. Okay. Then you do open, come back, open, come back, open, come back. Okay. So you do 1 and 2 and tap, 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 tap. Alright. First we'll put the energy after. So now we're just learning the steps. So after the turn, we come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with the left one. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. Okay. Then after 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, left, right, right. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Left, right. Yes. Left, right. Then open, close, open. Then with the arm, this one will do 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left, right. Open, close, open, close. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So with the arm go right, arms, left and right. Then we will do open, come back, open, come back. Yes. Then after this one, we will do here. Then we'll do 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Here we push. Then just like you are throwing something. Go like this. Yes. Then don't move, just be here. Then you do push and push. Yes. Then after you push here. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2 from the beginning. The second part. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close, open, close. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, come back, open, come back. Again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. With left leg first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Then you do like this. 1, 2, open, come back. From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, tight, open, tight. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then open, tight, open. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta 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 pa pa. 1, 2, ta ta. Cross, cross, ta 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 ta. Ta ta. 1, ta ta. Turn back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta 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 ta.
If you're serious about becoming a stronger and more confident dancer, I've created training programs just for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills further, my courses are designed to help you grow, stay consistent, and actually see progress. I help people become incredible dancers, and if you're watching this, that probably means you're next. You can check out all my programs via the link on screen. You can see it right here, and you can get started today. See you in class.